Good afternoon, class. I hope you all are staying home and you all are healthy. So today we are going to start with GK, and as we have already completed till page number 19, today we are going to start with page number 20. And the lesson is tops at table tennis. Here we are going to learn about the game named table tennis. Want to learn table tennis? Here's a beginner's guide to help you get started. If you want to learn tennis, here is a briefing done through which you can know how it is being played, what is the structure and everything, right? Means the structure means how the dimensions of the table and everything. Here you are going to get to know. Table tennis is an indoor sport played between two players or teams. Here, table tennis is played between two players or team, and it is an indoor game. To play this game, you will need a couple of table tennis bats, which are also known as rackets or paddles, a ball, and a special table. The things which you require is a special table where you can see that the net is also fit in the middle, and you need a ball. Here in the picture you can see a yellow ball, and you need tennis bats, which are also known as rackets or paddles. The aim of the game is to hit the ball to make it go over the net to the opponent's half, so that the opponent cannot reach or return the ball over the net and on the table. Now you have to pass the ball through that tennis bat or the racket, and you have to pass that ball through the net. It should not touch the net. You have to pass the ball through the net and make sure that the opponent fails to do the same, and then you will secure the point. Right, the next thing is here different parts of that table is labeled. We are going to see it one by one. The very first is net, loosely stitched divider across the middle of the table. Players must hit the ball over it. नेट को छू करके नहीं, but उसके ऊपर से बॉल आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? The ball must pass over the net. It should not touch the net, right? And it is placed between, in the middle of that table. The next is side line, line marking the sides of the playing surface. The surface on which, the table on which you are playing, the lines at the side of the table is known as side line. Beyond that, you won't, if you are hitting the ball beyond that, you are not going to score any points. The table. The table tennis table is a flat, rectangular wooden table, and the dimension is given 2.74 meter long, 1.525 meter wide, and 76 centimeter high. Right? Here the dimension is given, that how much is the length, the width, and also the height. A net divides it into two halves. Alright, I have already told you about the net, that the net is placed just in between that, in the middle of that table. In the middle of that table. Playing surface, tabletop with lines and edges. Players hit the ball from one side of the table to the other side. You have to stand at the edge of the table and you have to hit the ball and play. End line, line that marks the end of the playing surface and the back line of the serving zone. This is the line beyond which you cannot play, right? There is the end line. Now center line, 3 mm line that divides each table into two parts. The serve is made diagonally. You have to diagonally, तिरछा serve देना है, ball को तिरछा मारना है, and this center line is 3 mm in width, and it divides the table into two equal halves, right? Now the center line divides the table lengthwise, right? And the net divides, it is in the middle, it divides the table into two equal halves breadth wise, right? जो चौड़ाई है breadth side में, उसके बीचों बीच में net लगा हुआ है and divides the table into two equal halves, and the center line run along the length, ठीक है, लेंथ वाइज रन कर रही है, and this divides the table into two equal halves. Here a tidbit is also given. The first table tennis World Cup was held in 1980. Table tennis became an Olympic sport in 1988. For the very first time in the World Cup, it was held in 1980 and it was included in Olympic sport in 1988. A Grand Slam is earned by a player who wins singles title in the Olympics. Those who win the single titles, right, they won the tag of a Grand Slam, World Championships and World Cup. Now moving to the next page. Here one part is left in this page, right? Two parts, sorry. Net support, a vertical piece that is 15.25 centimeter high and stretches the net with the help of white tape, right? This is the holder of the net, right? It gives support to the net, and the net is stable on the table because of this net support, right? And it is 15.25 centimeter high. Now the next part is restriction. While playing the game, the players are not allowed to move the table. They cannot touch the table surface or the net while the ball is in play. While they are playing the ball, they cannot touch the table, they cannot touch the net, and they cannot move the table, right? These are the restrictions which they cannot do while playing this game. Now here is the pictures you can see in this page, on this page, that there are three pictures of some famous table tennis stars. You have to name these table tennis stars, and below are take the correct answers. So I'll be telling you the answers separately. The very first question is identify these table tennis stars. So here are the table tennis stars. First is Ma Long, he is from China. The next is Ovcharov Dmitrich from Germany. The third is Fan Zhendong from China. I have written it clearly separately so that you can write down the spellings correctly in your book, right? Now here again a tidbit is given. The world's longest table tennis rally lasted 8 hours 40 minutes 5 seconds and was played by Daniel Eves and Peter Eves, both from Britain, in 2014. सबसे लंबा जो गेम चला है वो 8 hours 40 minutes 5 seconds का था, and it was played between Daniel Eves and Peter Eves in 2014 in Britain. Now the next question is take the correct answers. The first question is, in the 1900s, which sports equipment manufacturer trademarked a game called ping pong, a game based on table tennis? See, here this was a game which was based on table tennis, and this was given by the manufacturer of the sports equipment. जो sports equipment बनाता है उसने ये दिया था, right? And you have to name that person. You have to choose the correct option. I'll be giving you the answer in the next slide. The second question is, today's tennis ball is made up of celluloid plastic. Right now, which you the ball which you use to play table tennis is made up of celluloid plastic. What were they originally made of? Originally किस चीज से बने होते थे ये आपको बताना है, right? So originally they were made up of rubber. 2 का आंसर है rubber. And the first question was that the sports equipment manufacturer जिसने पिंग पोंग गेम बनाया था, which was based on table tennis, and his name is Hamley Brothers. Right, the correct answer is Hamley Brothers. Kindly mark and write the correct answers in your book. Here I have given very clearly, the spellings are, I hope, very clearly. So now you can complete your work. Also very conveniently. Now the next lesson is Great Indian Scientist. Here we are going to discuss about the Great Indian Scientist. The description is given and you have to name the scientist, right? The very first one is, he was a great ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician known for his work on the revolution of Earth, prediction of eclipses, and the use of place value in number systems. India's first satellite was named after him. Now here his work is also described. He is an Indian astronomer and mathematician, and he is known for his work on the revolution of Earth, how the Earth moves around the sun, right? When the Earth moves around the sun, it is revolution, right? Prediction of eclipses, how ग्रहण, eclipses is ग्रहण, किस तरीके से लगता है. I have already explained you in the previous class that how lunar and solar eclipse occur in the very first chapter, Mysterious Space. And the use of place value in the number system, which you are studying in your mathematics. And the very first satellite was named after him. His name is Aryabhatta, right? In Hindi it is Aryabhat, but when we write the spelling in English, we usually add A at the last of the, means letter A at the end of that word, right? Ram ka Rama ho jata hai, right? So similarly here Aryabhat, Aryabhatta. The next, he was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it. See, he was the practitioner of the Indian medicine, and he gave and that medicine was of Ayurveda, and he also wrote a book on Ayurvedic medicine. His name is Charaka. His name is Charaka. The third, his groundbreaking work was in Shalya Tantra, curing patients through surgeries. He also developed many unique and practical techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. He is the scientist who was working on Shalya Tantra. Shalya Tantra means curing the people through surgeries, right? He used to do surgeries and cure the people, and his name is Sushruta. Recently I read in a newspaper or somewhere, I exactly don't remember the country, it is Thailand or Singapore. I'll be confirming it to you and tell. It is Thailand, I suppose, where in a hospital they have made a grand statue of Sushruta, as he is known for his surgeries, and he is the one who started doing surgeries. So the hospital has a very grand statue of Sushruta at the entrance of the hospital, right? This is a very good thing that Indian scientists are recognized apart from our country also. The next is, he was an outstanding Indian astronomer and mathematician who also had a thorough knowledge of Western astronomy. He is known for his book Panchasiddhantika, a detailed study of Western astronomy. Now what is astronomy? Astronomy, ये जो हम चांद तारे राइट इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में पढ़ते हैं राइट, मून स्टार्स, सो दीज थिंग्स, इन सब की स्टडी को हम एस्ट्रोनॉमी में पढ़ते हैं राइट. तो ही वॉज एन एस्ट्रोनॉमर, स्पेस के बारे में राइट, और स्टार्स, मून, सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज, इन सब चीज़ों को के बारे में पढ़ने वाले को हम एस्ट्रोनॉमर बोलते हैं. ही वॉज एन इंडियन एस्ट्रोनॉमर एंड ही हैज़ रिटन अ बुक पंच सिद्धांतिका विच इज़ वेरी मच फेमस एंड हिज नेम इज वराह मिहिरा. वराह मिहिरा. Next, he was an Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the book of Mahabhaskariya and Laghu Bhaskariya that dealt with the longitudes of planets, solar and lunar eclipse and the phases of moon. He was also an astronomer and a mathematician, and he belonged to 7th century. He wrote 2 books, Mahabhaskariya and Laghu Bhaskariya, and the topics which were there in the books are longitudes of planets. Like planets have imaginary lines on them from North Pole to South Pole, right, and from west to east, right. So these 2 lines are there, longitudes and latitudes also. ठीक, he dealt with longitudes, solar and lunar eclipse, you know, चंद्र और सूर्य ग्रहण, and the phases of moon. Now phases of moon, you know that the crescent of moon, कभी वो बहुत पतला होता है, फिर धीरे 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 चौड़ा होता जाता है, and then it turns into full moon, then no moon, and then again the cycle continues, right. So he dealt with these things and his name is Bhaskara, right, Bhaskara. Now next, he was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 5th century known for his book Brahma Sphuta Siddhanta, an astronomical work. He defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself. Now this astronomer is from 5th century and he is famous for his book Brahma Sphuta Siddhanta. He defined zero कि किसी भी नंबर को अगर उसी नंबर से हम subtract करते हैं then the result would be zero. He gave the definition of zero like that. His name is Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta. Now the tidbits. Ayurveda is the traditional system of Indian medicine. Indian medicine का जो traditional system है वो आयुर्वेद से आया है. It is widely practiced in various parts of Asia and is used to prevent and treat various diseases. बहुत सारी diseases को prevent करने में और treat करने में use होता है. This age-long field of medicine originated in India perhaps as early as 3000 years ago. आज से 3000 साल पहले आयुर्वेद was there in India and we are using since 3000 years, right. The answers, if the answers are not very much clear in this page, I have already given here, right. Great Indian scientist. The first one which we discussed was Aryabhatta, the second was Charaka, the third was Sushruta, the fourth was Varaha Mihira, the fifth was Bhaskara, the sixth is Brahmagupta. You can write down the correct spellings from here. Now moving on to the next lesson, brain teasers. Here are some riddles given which you have to solve. Write down the first letter of each word from the following sentence to make the abbreviation of a space science agency of international repute. Also write the full form of this agency, right. Nature's anger, silence, all. You have to take the first letter of each word, right, Nature's का N, Anger's का A, Silence's S, all का A. It contributes to make NASA, right? NASA, and the full form is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Next question. Unscramble the words in the following sentence to make it meaningful. Srinivas Ramanujan was a dash Indian dash. Here the word is unscramble. You have to rearrange and tell. A very interesting thing I would like to tell about Srinivas Ramanujan. It's very sad for us that he died at a very young age of 32, but he was a very great mathematician. He gave a very strong pieces about several things, and his famous is 3 set numbers, and 3 set numbers where he gave that the cube of 3 numbers, cube of 2 numbers, after adding those 2 numbers you'll get the result, and that also is a cube. Now what is a cube? Multiplying one number 3 times gives you cube, right? Cube of that number. So he gave a theory which was very famous at that time, and he gave set of those numbers that 2 numbers whose cubes, on adding whose cubes, give a third number which was also a cube. And he was a very renowned mathematician. I have given you the spellings here. Later on I'll be stopping this slide for few minutes so that you can write the answers correctly in your book, right? Now the third is 5 boys named A, B, C, D and E were eating 5 bananas. D finishes his banana before A, but after C. E finishes his banana before B, but after A. Write down the order in which they finish their bananas. Here I have written the order also, right? I have given the order. D finishes before A, C finishes before D, E finishes before B, and A finishes before E. So here I have made the serial. If D is finishing before A and C is finishing before D, see here I have combined all those 4 equations and made one single equation. Here I got to know that C finished first, then D, then A, then E, and then B. See, directly you cannot reach to an answer. You have to follow certain rules. Here I had first written the cases and how they are completing, finishing, and then I have combined all those cases and then I got the answer. Alright, now again moving on to the 4th question. Aman tells Natasha, your brother is the son of my father's sister. How is Natasha related to Aman's father? Right, Aman and Natasha are cousin. Here, see, Natasha's brother is son of Aman's father's sister. Right, Natasha का भाई जो है, ठीक है, वो किसका बेटा है? अमन के फादर की सिस्टर का. So Aman and Natasha are cousin, right? I have written here by mistake that cousin. Aman and Natasha are cousin, but Aman's father and Natasha's relationship, how? Aman's father is uncle of Natasha. ठीक है, Aman's father is uncle of Natasha. Make the correction here. I have the answer which I have written is Natasha and Aman are cousins, and Aman's father is uncle of Natasha. Kindly make this correction in your book, right? Now The fifth question, what is that never get hurts when it falls? It is rain. Rain falls but it never gets hurt. What has a neck but no head? Bottle has a neck. ठीक है, जहाँ आप कैप बंद करते हो हल्का सा पतला सा नेक टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर है उसका, राइट? देन इट स्टार्ट्स द शेप ऑफ द बॉटल. देयर इट हैज द नेक वेयर यू turn the cap. Next, what has a head and a tail but no legs? That is a coin. The coin has head and tails. We play oftenly, right? And even in the match, when we start to bat or to anything, then we usually do a toss and we choose head or tail and decide accordingly. So the answer is coin. Make the word torn from the word cone by changing one letter at a time. On changing the letter, the word should still make sense. So cone, cone को ही आप change करेंगे, एक letter change करिए, it will become corn, C-O-R-N, corn. Then it can also be cone में ही only one word. See, if we are replacing, then it will become tone, T-O-N-E, tone. Here are the answers, right? But in answer number 4, please make the correction. Natasha and Aman are cousin, but Aman's father is uncle of Natasha, right? And the rest of the answers remains the same. Kindly note down the answers in your book. The next is animals in danger. See, we have a red book, and in that book we mention the animals which are extinct, जो अब जो मौजूद ही नहीं है अर्थ पे. Also the endangered animals which are on the verge of extinction, यानी कि अब वो खत्म होने वाले हैं. ठीक है, endangered means जो अब खत्म होने वाले हैं. They are left very few in numbers. The very first is pangolins. Pangolins are called scaly ant eaters, right? Now what are pangolins? Pangolins are called scaly ant beaters, ant eaters, curl into a ball when threatened. जब उनको डर लगता है then they curl up. ठीक है, curl हो जाते हैं, curl shape में हो जाते हैं. Some pangolins such as the African black bellied pangolin live entirely on trees. कुछ pangolin जो हैं, कुछ pangolins कहाँ रहते हैं? Entirely, पूरी तरीके से trees पे. Others live on land. बाकी सारे land पे रहते हैं. All pangolin species are hunted for their meat. इनका hunt किया जाता है for their meat. Their skin and scales are used in traditional medicines. और traditional medicine बनाने के लिए इनके जो है स्किन और इनके स्केल्स को, जो स्किन पे स्केल्स है उसको यूज किया जाता है. फिश ऑल्सो हैव स्केल्स ऑन देयर बॉडी. सिमिलरली दे ऑल्सो हैव स्केल्स ऑन देयर बॉडी एंड दैट स्केल्स एंड स्किन इज यूज्ड टू मेक medicines. As a result, pangolins have become highly endangered. इसीलिए क्योंकि इनको बहुत ज़्यादा मारा जाता है for their meat, for making medicines, and that is why now they are endangered. They are scaly ant eaters, right? Next is snow leopards. Snow leopards are found in the Indian subcontinent and in the mountains of Central Asia. Where they are found? In India, Indian subcontinent and Central Asia. They have been listed as an endangered species since 1986. कब से इनको endangered की कैटेगरी में डाला गया है? Since 1986. They are often killed by the hunters whose livestock has been hunted by snow leopards, and the bones and hides of snow leopards are also sought after by poachers. Poachers mean shikari. ठीक है, they kill and they sell their skin, bones, right? Next is leatherback sea turtles. These turtles have leather back. ठीक है, जो इनकी पीठ है, जो इनका कवर है, that is leatherback, right? And they live in sea, and that is why they have got the name leatherback sea turtles. Are named so because they have leather-like shells. They are the world's largest sea turtle species. World में सबसे largest turtles हैं, ठीक है? They are very important for marine life as they eat species of jellyfish and keep their numbers in check. इनका होना भी बहुत important है. Why? Because they eat jellyfish. Jellyfish का number ना बढ़ जाए. So they eat jellyfish. Increased egg collection and capture, they led to steady decline in their number, making leatherback turtles critically endangered now. इनके eggs को collect किया जाता है, ठीक है, कैप्चर किया जाता है. That is why they are now declining in number. The next is Saola. Saola is also known as the Asian unicorn. Saola is known as Asian unicorn. Saola is also known as the Asian unicorn and is sighted rarely in the Annamite ranges of Vietnam and Laos. It was discovered only in 1992. ठीक है, इनको 1992 में डिस्कवर किया गया था. They resemble cows as well as antelopes. ये cows और antelopes दोनों को बहुत ज़्यादा resemble करते हैं. They are recognized by two long parallel horns with sharp ends. इनके दो parallel horns होते हैं and they are very sharp. ठीक है. No Saola exists in captivity and it has been recorded in nature only 4 times. It is critically endangered due to the destruction of its forest homes and also because of hunting. इनको बहुत ही rarely देखा जाता है, मगर इनके extinct होने का 2 main reason है. First is that forest cover को हटाया जाता है, पेड़ों को काट के forest को हटा करके अब हम शहर और गांव बसाते हैं, राइट. एंड द सेकेंड इज हंटिंग. इनको हंट भी किया जाता है. रेड pandas with a length of only 2 feet are only slightly larger than domestic cats and have bear-like bodies with thick red fur. cat से थोड़ा बड़े होते हैं, bear-like body होती है and they have thick red fur. They mostly live in trees and more than half of them are found in the eastern Himalayas. कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? Eastern Himalayas. Less than 10,000 of them exist in the wild. 10,000 से भी कम जंगलों में पाए जाते हैं. The loss of trees and bamboo in forest has caused a huge decline in red pandas population. ठीक है, फॉरेस्ट में जिस तरीके से बैम्बू ट्रीज कम हो रही हैं तो इनके घर ही नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाई देयर नंबर इज आल्सो डिक्लाइनिंग. द नेक्स्ट इज द नेक्स एंड बैक्स गला और पीठ ऑफ जायंट armadillos are covered with flexible armor consisting of 14 to 17 movable bands of horn and bone. See, their neck and back is covered with hard substance. It is of horn and bone, but it is movable. It has 14 to 17 bands which are movable. That is why they can easily move. It is not very much stiff like horn and bone. It has movable bonds. That is why they are easily movable. They can easily move, right? Their heads are protected by a similar oval shield. उनका head भी protect होता है same material से, which is oval in shape. Oval shape क्या होता है? Like egg. ठीक है, shape of egg. They can grow to 1.5 meter in length. कितने बड़े हो सकते हैं? 1.5 meter. They feed on termites and small mammals such as mice and rat. Termites क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े, right? Especially ants. And small mammals such as mice and rats. They are endangered because of poaching and loss of habitat due to human settlement and agricultural development. Almost 50% of their population has been lost in the last 10 years. पिछले 10 सालों में 50% population इनकी खत्म हो गई. And ये endangered क्यों हुए हैं? Because of poaching, शिकार, and also जो भी जहाँ भी ये रहते थे वहाँ पे ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट हो गया, ह्यूमंस रहने लगे हैं एंड एग्रीकल्चर होने लगा है, राइट. नाउ देयर इज अ क्विक क्विज. देयर आर 6 क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू हैव टू आंसर. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हिच एनिमल मेक्स द लॉन्गेस्ट माइग्रेशन इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट. माइग्रेशन इज एक जगह से दूसरे जगह तक चले जाना, ठीक. सो कौन सा एनिमल लॉन्गेस्ट माइग्रेशन करता है? दैट इज आर्कटिक टर्न. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ बर्ड, राइट. आर्कटिक टर्न. ऑन विच कॉन्टिनेंट विल यू फाइंड द रेयर ब्लैक स्पाइडर मंकी, राइट. द continent in which you find the rare black spider monkey, and the name of that continent is South America, and the name of that continent is South America, right. The next is which subspecies of tigers is the largest of all. सबसे बड़े tigers कौन से होते हैं? Siberian are the largest of all. Siberian tigers are the largest of all. Next question, which endangered toothed whale is the largest? कौन सा endangered whale है, toothed whale है जो सबसे बड़ा है? That is sperm whale. The next question, the Cape hunting dogs or hyena dogs are one of the world's most endangered animals and differ from other dogs in having only 4 toes on each foot. On which continent are they found? वैसे toes कितने होते हैं? 5, but these have 4 toes, ठीक है. They are hunting dogs or hyena dog. Hyena is CR, in Hindi we call it CR, right. And in which continent they are found? They are found in Africa. The next and the last question is, name the apes also called pygmy chimpanzees which are found only in the rainforest of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And the name of such apes is bonobo, right. I am giving you the spellings also. From here you can write the correct spellings in front of the questions and complete your work, right. This till here we have completed page number 25. With this we complete page number 25. I hope you all will do your work and you all will stay home and follow the instructions which come every now and then, and watch news and keep yourselves updated. Thank you.